Bless our food. Amen.
So I cooked for my wife today. I cooked a favorite murio.
This is witchcraft, baby. And you wanna make me feel like I'm not I can't cook. What I cook doesn't taste nice. What is this? You must cook every day. I think you must cook every day, babe. But anyway, it's fine because of work. You can't, but I feel like this kitchen doesn't belong to me anymore. Singayithi. If you want to have confusion in your life, let your men cook. Yo. Especially African foods. My man is so good at that. And guys, this is nice, baby. It's tasting real good. It's fine. I would talk.
Magata wakati ndokundisunda kubva kumuriwo chako. Don't do that, please. I'm telling you.
Let me explain. Okay. It's fine. Okay. Eat. Watch. This is nice. I eat this maybe once a month, guys, and every time I enjoy. Why? Because daddy always make this meal, and even sadly,
Sure.
I'm telling you that there's always a difference. You can feel this pulp. The man played with it. So when are you gonna cook this also?
Can also have it.
What if tomorrow?
Ufana kuzokufina umphusho. Kuzokufina manje ndozotanga kudya ndega.
Okay, so tomorrow unonibikira mbora.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Okay. Fine, don't make it an omelette.
And you know that I'm not man of promises.